not knowing how to help myself arrive at a decision. I can't get you out of my mind, I don't know what to do. It's this feeling that's ever growing, it's this feeling I feel for you. Tell me, will I ever survive? Stop my tears and keep it inside, holding back myself from being close to you.